wondered why some faceless creators go viral overnight while your videos barely hit 200 views? It's not your topic, it's your commentary. If you learn how to deliver powerful commentary shorts, you can grow faster than 90% of beginners out there. Wait, a commentary? You mean just talking about something? Exactly. But there's an art to it, and I'll show you how. Most beginners fail because they try to sound like experts instead of talking like humans. Commentary is about connection, not perfection. People don't follow you for your voice. They follow you because you say what they secretly think. You know that one creator who just says random stuff over memes and still gets a million views? Yeah, they cracked the code. Here's how you can do it too. Step 1. Pick a trending topic people are already arguing about. Step 2. Add your take. Be real, be bold, even a little controversial. Step 3. Use storytelling. Start with a problem, build curiosity, and drop a truth bomb. The truth is, most people watching your videos are tired, broke, or stuck in jobs they hate. They just want someone to say something real. That's your power. Once you master commentary shorts, you won't need a fancy studio, a camera, or even a face. Just your voice, your thoughts, your story. But here's the dark side no one talks about. Most commentary creators burn out fast because they don't understand the reality behind the algorithm. Click the video on your screen now. I'll show you the dark reality behind YouTube Shorts that every new creator must know before it's too late. This is Make Money with me, where I help you turn your ideas into income. See you in the next one.